Schwartz from Shiloh Elementary, and I teach 3rd grade. The lesson that you're about to see is going to be my amazing students working on 2-step word problems. This is a pretty challenging concept for 3rd graders, so you're going to see a lot of cooperative learning, a lot of different and variety of strategies, a lot of manipulatives in small groups. I have a wide variety of learners in my classroom, so some students are going to need some extra support, and especially based off of yesterday's lessons, there'll be some students that will be pulled back with me to work in a small group instead of just immediately working on independent activities. You'll also have a chance to see some students working on challenge activities, so they have a challenge board and then they will be using Beast. I hope you enjoy our lesson on 2-step word problems. Okay, so today we are on lesson 19. And it's been what we've been working on with the solve those 2 steps. So where we solve and we get an answer and then we use that answer to solve the next part of it. And it says reasonableness. What does reasonableness mean? What I don't know. I bolded it big and made it blue. I wasn't sure. Krisha, what do you think reasonableness means? Okay, lots of reasons. What do you think, Jackson?
I think reasonable means like it can be like you can use it in some 2-step word problems, but you can't in the other.
Okay, that's a thought. And
Does it make sense?
Okay, the one that makes the most sense sounds reasonable, right? If it's pouring outside and it's raining, it's not reasonable that we would go outside for recess, right? Okay, perfect. All right, let's move on. Okay, fluency today, remember, is our ready, set, multiply. Who would like to? All right, Layton, come here. Ready? Remember. Ready, set, multiply.
2.
Okay. Are we doing a bunch of zeros and ones?
No.
Okay. We're do one hand today. Okay. All right. Turn and talk, partners. Go ahead.
Come here.
Yes. Good job, Grayson. Ready, all 3 of us. Ready, set, multiply. That's a longer one. All right, Holly. Okay, find your way back to your seat. Okay, so it says there are 9 packs of markers in the supply box. Each pack has 8 markers. So it says student A says 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, then it says student B says 10 times 8 equals 80. And student C says 9 times 10 equals 90. I'm very confused. Very confused. Okay, so here's our thought. I think student, and then you would say A, B, or C used what strategy to solve that problem? So just think for a minute. You already thought?
Yeah, I already thought too.
Okay, so you think you're ready to share? I think student A, B, or C used blank strategy.
I think student B used one where you add an extra and then subtract the extra.
So what made you think that?
Because it's like one ahead more. It's like one more than what the problem says.
Oh, interesting. Okay, how does that help us solve that problem? Sanjay, what was your thought?
I think that student B used 10 times 8 to round 9 to 10, so that because 10 is a benchmark number, so they can do 10.
All right, so a lot of us have said we chose student B, right? So we think student B, we said they made this a 10, which Sanjay said was a what?
Benchmark.
That benchmark number. So why again would that help us? I don't know. Mahana?
I think that would help us because like 9 times 8, and 9 is closer to 10. So you could just do 8, so 10 times 8 is 80, so you can just minus the 8, and that's 72, so technically that brings us to the equation 9 times 8.
So hold on, no, you're confusing me because this just says 10 times 8. How did you know to subtract something? It doesn't say subtract.
Because 9 times 8 is 9 groups of 8.
Oh, you're going back to the problem. Okay. So it's 9 packs
Of 8.
of 8. So you're saying I could make this 10 packs and get 80.
And then I could just minus the 8.
And Javon, why am I minusing 8? It has 9 packs.
Because you added 1 to go with 9, so you need to subtract 1.
But so I'm going to subtract 9 or I'm going to subtract 8?
Subtract 1 from 9.
Bavia?
What Javon means is that, you remember how we said 9 groups of 8 and 10 groups of 8? We have to minus 1 group of 8.
We're going to go to our whiteboard. First person is,
Putting the markers
and writing, marker's already there. Second person is speaking first, right? Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. First person's writing, second person's speaking. Okay, and then we're around. I'm going to put it up on the board.
Wait, no, she changed it today. Yeah, she changed it today because she already put the mark.
We're fine, friends. I'm going to put it up on the board, but before you start solving, you're gonna look at me, okay? Sound like a plan? Stan? Mahana, yes ma'am?
I forgot to cross out the end.
I know, I didn't finish. We got it. So there's gonna be some groups today with just 2, okay? And that's gonna be okay. All right. Do we know where we're going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look and listen. There are 9 packs of markers in the supply box. Each pack, just listen, I love that connection. It looks very similar. Let's see what happens though. It says each pack has 8 markers. So 9 packs of 8.
So 9 times
Maybe. It says after some students take some markers. They've taken some markers. There's 19 markers left. How many markers did students take?
Oh.
So, pause. The first step that I want to see on that whiteboard is, it says draw a representation of the problem. So, an equation, tape diagram, and it says use a letter for the unknown. So, if there's a number that we're not sure of. Okay, let's use an M for our unknown. Let's use an M for our unknown, okay? Then it says estimate the numbers. So that first one I don't want you to solve yet. I just want an equation. Then solve. So 3 different things on those whiteboards.
minus 8 of 9. And the equation is 7. Put 70.
How do we wait, no, we can't just do it. Wait, how do we get 50? How do we, I don't get it. How do we get 50? We need to break that up. But we
Okay. Okay, and why did we do that? Do you remember what your group said? No, Caitlin, what do you remember?
did that to get to 9 times 8.
9 times 8. So you took it and you rounded it to that next benchmark number. So that's why you did 9 times. 10 times 8, which would be what? And then you did 1 times 8, which is, so 80 minus 8 is 72. So my next question is, where's the next part of our problem? Because that gets us to the first part of our problem. What is the next step? So advice, what can we do to take this information that we've done here and solve the next step? Because our unknown, yes, for this part of the problem is 72, but the question is asking for a different.
Subtract 19 from 72, and then how much is left is how much they took.
Okay, so do you think y'all can solve that down here? Okay, y'all start working. Don't erase this beautiful work, but keep that and then I'll come back.
Do we have to solve this?
Eventually, yes. Okay, pause. Why? Okay, why do you have 9 times 8 equals M? Okay, but then you have M minus 18. Why do you have that part? Okay, so Javanch says it's 19. It's okay, good check. Javanch, is there a way, Krisha, is there a way that we can combine these into one equation?
Yeah.
All right, you do it. I'm going to come back. Some of us have that first equation, that 9 times 8 equals M, because our M is our unknown. But then there's a step 2, right? That second step. What's that second step, Raylanch? Because I heard you tell Mahana.
2 minus 19, but then we figured out that we were wrong because they said there was only 19 markers left, not.
Oh. But does that still, if we took that minus 19, does that still get us to how many markers the students took?
Yeah.
Okay, so I see, does anybody else see the equation they wrote? Mohana, can you explain this equation right here?
So we use the use parentheses because so we can do 9 times 8 minus 19 easily. So we did 9 times 8 first, and that equals 72, and then 72 minus 19. So we couldn't do that in our head, so we counted down.
Okay.
We counted down 9, so that was 63. So we just had to do the 10 left, and that's 53.
And that's 53. Question, Rayanch, why are these important in this equation? Because yeah, what do they do? They make it simpler. Can somebody help them? What do they tell us to do, Javanch?
They tell us to do what is first.
The parentheses tell us to do this first. Yeah, no, you're right. And then we're minusing that 19 because they're saying that that's what they took. With that information, do you think you can go back to your board
Yep.
and try to come up with a solution?
Yep.
Are you sure?
I don't think
How we doing, ladies?
I think it's 53, but she's saying 60.
Okay.
I could break it apart so I figure it out.
Okay. So we have. Okay, I love this. Why did we do this? No, we can think it through. So I think what we're doing is we're trying to do that pickle method, but what is our operation here? No, what is this operation? Subtraction. And that pickle method works for addition. Okay? So pause. Let's erase this number here. And let's erase this number here. And this one. What can we break 72 apart to make a benchmark number for that so we could subtract? What would be a benchmark number to get so we could subtract? Beautiful. Put 20 there. So, yep, so Anika, so then what's here? How did you get 52?
First I did 2 minus 0, and that equals 2.
So you took 72 minus 20 and you got 52. So then what am I going to do here? No, switch it. Remember with subtraction we do our big number first. So 20 minus 19. 1. No. Just right.
There you go. But what's happening with these friends? What are they doing? We gotta add them. So that equals what? Oh.
It says now we're going to look at it. No. You guys aren't scared. Okay. So this one, you're not gonna do at your whiteboard. You're gonna do with your table group. Okay? Because I want us to work in our workbook. Okay? So we're gonna see if we can solve it. So the number 2 person at your table will pull out your workbook and turn to page 182. So how many workbooks do we need out? Show me with your fingers. How many pencils do we need out? Now, my friends, can we do Rally Coach where I try to solve something and I pass the pencil to Layton? Yes, we can share that wealth there. Okay, are we ready? What page are we turning to? 182. Okay. Can we do it quiet as a mouse? Use that letter to show the unknown.
$173 in the bank. He earned $9 each week and put that money into the bank too. Now David has $218 in the bank. For how much weeks did David earn money? Draw to present the problem.
But how many weeks did he do it? So we have to do 280 divided by 173.
That's going to be 173 divided by 9. But then it has to tell us how many weeks it is. No, he earns $9 each week.
Okay.
Is there an equation in the short 173 how many weeks did David
I
earn
don't
money?
know. Is it a 1-step or a 2-step problem? So could we do multiplication and then do division? Maybe. I don't know. We have to figure it out. It's saying that he had how much in the bank?
173.
Okay, he earned. Could we underline that 173 in the bank? Okay. And then it says he earned hold on, Mohana. He earned $9 each week. Okay, so Leo, can you underline the 9 each week? Okay, and he put that in the bank. Now, David has 218 in the bank. Okay, can you underline the 218, Ananya? But what's our question? What's our final question of what they're asking?
How many weeks did David earn money?
I think you have to do a 218 minus 179. 173.
Would that get us the weeks, or would that get us how much he added in? Okay, I'm seeing and hearing some good conversations. I'm going to give a little hint. Okay, let's see. Ready? Say it. So, my friends, this is what again? Okay, and we know how many does he have all together?
218.
Okay, so this is going to be 218, correct? What do we know is over here? 173, right? And then what's there?
9.
What does M, do we know? I don't know, this made me super confused. Yes. You think M is 45? Whoa. Do you think you can come and explain that? Show me, because I don't see it. I don't see it. Do you need this, or do you just want to talk it through? Okay, Adria's going to talk it through. Let's see.
So
You can go up to the board.
So my table group, we just get counted by 9 because
Okay.
And then after we skipped counting, it took him 5 weeks to reach 218, and we did 9 times 5 equals 45.
Whoa. We are going to get ready for our exit ticket. Is it okay if we get a little confused?
Yes.
We've already said this was a difficult task. So if we need some extra practice, is that okay? Yes, we have time for that extra practice. So we're going to go page 187. You are going to do your exit ticket. We'll turn it into the counter. When we're done, problem set. So practicing, okay? And then my challenge group. You have your choice board and then beast. Okay, do we understand? Are you sure? I would love to see Leighton, Rayanch, Rosalind, and Grayson. You want to try it at your desk? Okay. So Rosalind, Leighton, and Rayanch at my seat or at my table. Yep, with your workbook and a pencil. All right. Number 1 on that cog and wheel, that problem set. Okay, before we do the exit ticket, I want us to practice a little bit, okay? So my friends, who would like to read the problem for me?
Deepa has 4 packs of plates.
Oh, she just underlined 4 packs.
For
Can
a
you?
party.
Okay, 4 packs of what? Of
Of
plates.
for a party.
Each pack in 9.
Each pack has 9 plates.
I love that Grayson underlined that, the 9 packs.
And her friends use 27 plates during the party.
So how many total plates?
Plates are left.
So they used 27 plates. What are they asking us to solve?
How many plates are left?
How many plates are left? Is this 1 step, 2 step, 57 steps? What is this?
We don't have 2 steps.
You think it's a 2 step, okay? My friends, how many, what?
First, we need to figure
How many packs of plates did we have?
4 times 9.
4. Don't draw on your table. It's going to get messy. No,
I always draw the table. All right, what, how many, we have 4 packs.
9 plates in each.
So 4 packs of what?
9.
Of 9. So 3, 6, 9. Okay. 3, 6. Yes, ma'am. 3,
Mr. Graywood would always take
6, 9. I know, and then he would 3, 6, 9.
Use that.
Okay. So this we know this, right?
And now we need Deepa and friends use 27 during the party. So we have to subtract 27.
Okay. So but what's the equation going to be for this?
It will be 4 times 9.
Okay.
I'm going to use fingers.
4 packs times 9.
I know what that equals.
And then what?
9, 20, 45.
Grayson says this unknown is 45. Do you agree with that? What you agree? How did you get 45? Oh, you're using my trick with the fingers?
Finger trick helps.
Oh, so if we did that though, what is the answer? Oh, Leighton just told me if we use that finger trick, it would be 36.
What's the difference?
So which one?
Maybe we can count by 9 4 times 9, 18, 27,
45.
32,
So you this one right here was what? 27?
27.
Okay, so then 27 plus
9.
okay is what? 28.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
Wait, maybe.
Oh, so I'm hearing 36.
Oh, wait, I counted them.
Beautiful, sir.
There's 9, 27, 36, 45. So the finger steady.
Okay, so am I done there? I found it. It's 9 times 4 equals
We have
36.
to still minus
72.
Why am I doing minus 27?
Because
Okay, you want to come back and practice? You want to sit right here?
during the party
They use 27. So I'm doing 27 minus 36.
it would be 36 minus 27.
Why is it?
Minus 27.
Why?
Because 30 and her friends used 36 is a bigger number.
Did you hear what she said? We can't subtract 27.
11.
Right.
That's 11.
So let's go to this cog and wheel right here, beautiful. Right here. And let's practice before we do. You're telling me that 36 minus 27 is 11?
3 minus 2 equals 1. And 7 minus 6 equals 1 too. Out by 3 and take those out.
Oh. What? So she's saying I have these here. I could just take how many out?
27.
Because I know that this is 36. So I can go 3, 6,
9. That's 18.
12.
21.
This is 21.
That's 18.
All right, let's count it again. 3,
6, 9, 12, 18, 15. 15.
Y'all are confusing me.
Oh, wait.
Okay, let's try it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Am I done there?
No.
What next?
21.
21.
24.
24. And then
27.
27. Does that match my... So then how many are left?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pages has she already read?
My friends, was that,
Fun.
was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
I'm not gonna lie. That I felt like, what?
Hard.
Same. But guess what the beautiful thing is that we can still practice and we persevered. You didn't give up. Caitlin, Catherine, you didn't give up. You kept trying. You kept thinking. Okay? Those 2 steps, you didn't give up and you did it on your own, which is beautiful. Okay? So let's take a breath. Kiss our brain. Beautiful. And let's eat snack.